I built Brief to Plan agent for the AI agent's intensive vibe coding capstone. It turns messy project briefs into clear execution plans. So the problem here is that teams often receive messy project briefs, vague notes, meeting summaries, or rough requests that are hard to turn into action. That wastes time and causes confusion about goals, tasks, risks, and next steps. I used an agent approach because the task is not just one answer. It needs analysis, planning, and review. The agent can break the work into steps, extract facts, generate a plan, and check whether the output is complete. So, the architecture for this is that this project uses a simple pipeline: brief analysis, plan generation, and review check. I also added a small tool layer for small briefs and templates, plus skills files to represent reusable task instructions. Here is a simple brief. I paste it into notebook and run the pipeline. The agent returns a structured execution plan with summary, goal, key facts, assumptions, open questions, tasks, risks, and next step, and also the evaluation. I tested the agent on multiple briefs, including a vague one. All of them returned the required sections, which shows the structure which shows that the whole structure is stable. I also added a review step so the agent checks itself before returning the final output. Security and the production thinking. I kept the project safe by using a controlled sample input flow, a review step, and no automatic external actions. The project also follows spec driven development skills and tool based design from the course. This project is small and useful as a real workflow assistant. It shows how agents can turn messy input into a clear plan. So for this here, the output of the script, the agent gives the created skills, which is the brief analysis, and it also gives the description and the brief analysis skill, when to use, when not to use, and also the plan generation description, and when to use the plan generation skill and when not to use the plan generation skill. In the same way, it also gives for the review check. Here is the execution plan, the whole summary, goal, key facts, assumptions, open questions like what is the exact deadline, who is the target user or customer, what tools, data, or systems are already available, and all that thing. So the execution plan is that it gives a summary, goal, key facts, assumptions, open questions, task breakdown, risks, and the suggested next step. I have also created this readme text file in here that is saved to this location. This is the whole project summary. It details how it works, what this project demonstrates, and the architecture. That's all about this. Thank you.